Hey guys, so today we're going to switch it up. We are not using Notion. Instead, we're using Asana, specifically Asana Forms. So this is a really cool feature within Asana that you can use for many different things. Typically, it would obviously be used in more of like a workplace environment, but I'm going to show you how you can actually use it in your personal life as well. So in this instance, we're going to use it for a journal. So if journaling is something that maybe you have friction with, this is a really easy way where you can just have a link somewhere bookmarked on your computer, press on the link, and then every day you can just submit a journal entry or whenever you want to in a super easy way, and it will database all of your journal entries automatically. So I am going to make a new project, just do blank project. I'm going to call it whatever you want to, journal, diary, whatever. Continue. Timeline I don't think is necessary, so I'm taking away some of these. Create project. So it's literally just a blank project. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to remove assignee because that's not necessary. I think I'm going to remove this as well. What I am going to add though is a multi-select for theme. So what I have in my journal, I do mine in Notion, but it's very similar. I have like a multi-select for theme. So if I wanted to do like say that it was an event or I had a travel day, then I can kind of like select those as tags so that if I ever wanted to like go back and read something, or like, for example, I have one for like learning insights. At the end of 2024, for example, I went back and filtered for all of the learning insight entries that I had to kind of do like almost a review of the year. So yeah, I've been journaling every single day for like 2+ years now. I found it so helpful for just being more insightful and learning about yourself and self-awareness. So yeah, hopefully this will help some of you as well. So yeah, event, maybe travel, road trip, learning, insights. I mean, you could really do anything. So obviously you gotta personalize that, but I create that as a field. I'm gonna create a date of entry field. Yeah, so I think that this is fine for now. What I'm going to do is press customize, then I'm going to go to forms, then I'm going to go to create new form. Okay, you can create a cover image if you want. This is going to be name of entry. Then this is obviously not necessary. Then for our fields, we're going to include, so this is going to be the actual make this text. So I'm going to make that required, obviously. So this is where you put in your actual journal entry. I'm going to press fields over here and then click theme and date of entry because we want those in here as well. This one I'm not going to make required. Date of entry I am going to make required. These two are required. So it's really simple, honestly. This is basically it. Let's see. I don't think that is really necessary. Okay, cool. So I'm basically just going to publish this. And then I'm going to copy the link. And then as you can see, we now have a form that is connected to this area within this project. So we're going to call this journal entries. And then if you want to submit an entry, what you would do is just go and paste your link. And then you're going to come to this page. Name of entry, maybe. Then here you would have your journal entry. Obviously, I'm not gonna like write this all out, but you got the drift. Write about your day, write about how you're feeling, etc., whatever you want. Then maybe this was work, school. Maybe your night out was like friends and families. Check that. Then the date of entry. Let's pretend it was last Wednesday, and then you press submit. It's submitting your form now. Thanks for submitting a request. And then what's cool is you're going to see that it's come and populated automatically into your database. So you can see the themes are here, so you could filter for these later or sort. Date of entry is in there. And so when you open this, you're going to see that you have your name of your entry, journal entry, themes, and date of entry, and it was submitted through this form, which you can bookmark somewhere. So I think this is pretty cool. I feel like it would populate over time, super easy. If journaling is something that you want to do and you want to do it digitally and it's maybe something you have friction with, creating a form could be a really great avenue to try to get that into your routine.